First, open up your Twitter application. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Here you have to type what you want. Now, if you exceed the word limit, you will see a negative number, showing how many words needed are to be removed before posting. Next, you need to remove the excess words by deleting them. Once done, you will notice a plus icon on the right side. Simply tap on it. Here you will find the option to add another tweet. Simply continue writing your message in this space. After that, if you again exceed the word limit, then simply remove them. Then tap on the plus icon, and then you will see Add Another Post option over here. Simply enter your remaining text. After that, if you exceed the word limit again, just delete the excess words. Then tap on the plus icon where you will find the option to add another post. Enter your remaining text in the space. After that, your thread will be created. Then, tap on the Post All button at the top right corner. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then go to your profile. You can view the threads you have posted here. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.